Hey, welcome back, campers. We're back into the math session. I'm Mr. McDaniel. Remember our motto here at camp, believe in yourself. I believe in you, believe in yourself. The more time you spend working on this, as I mentioned in class, it's exercise for your brain. You create an avenue in your brain because you're continually working, solving problems day in and day out, improving your reading and writing skill. It's so imperative that you'll see that this particular topic is really, really relevant. Working in equation expression, working with radicals and exponents. We're sticking with exponents. The more you do work, if this is you, student, and exponentially you started off day one at level one, now I'm pretty certain exponentially you're 5 times better than you were before. You going up exponentially. Some of you are probably like 10 times, like a 10 exponent. 10 to the, you know what I'm saying, student to the 10th power is where you're at. You want to be super high when it comes to improving yourself day in and day out. And every time you spend time doing it, you get exponentially better. And a key rule we're going to work on today regarding this particular standard is division of exponents. That's the objective here under EE1. Working with radical and exponents, our focus again is just on exponents. It's the division of exponents. In particular, this particular rule deals with when dividing powers with the same base. The last one we did multiplying, but this one, when dividing powers with the same base. And what do they mean by base? Can anybody tell me? They mean that the number that's here, that number is the base. This number is the exponent. So when we have a problem here, a division problem, the way it's set up, 461 to the 10th power over 461 to the 5th power, we want to go ahead and subtract the exponents in this division problem by lining it up and just subtracting. And then we end up with this as our quotient. 461 to the 5th power is our final answer. Let's do another one to show you how this should be done, because this is what you need to understand as a rule. When you see these types of problems, you won't panic. What should I do? So we know when we say that they're similar, let's say 775 to the 8th power divided by 775 to the 4th power. What will we get? Well, we know this is our base. Since they have both similar bases, remember, it's like that when you say like terms. These are like terms. These are exactly alike. This is a term, that's a term. It's just like. You can use this verbiage. It's applicable to algebra also. This is a like term, that's a like term, but these are different. So all we do, we write it out. This is equal, I'll write it on this side, 775. We, basic math, 4 from 8 leaves us with 4. So the rule here that we want to focus in on, what you want to practice when you go into example, to practice this repeatedly is F9. It will be your assignment on the EE1. 6th graders, you're going into 8th grade, EE1, to practice this skill because it's applicable. It's going to help you better understand what you're doing on the expression and equation and what you're shooting for, but you're going to F9 to practice the skill. So if you have any questions, we will talk about this in class. Write them down, be prepared. Remember, it's adventure week. We're going to go on this adventure regarding division of exponents, and I look forward to seeing your class. Remember to believe in yourself and have a great day.